Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can't wait to go to the zoo. I can't wait to go to the photo to see all the animals. Looks like I'm going there. Hey, look! It's Riney the Rhino. I can see all the rhinos at the zoo. Oh, hello, rhinos. How are you doing? Oh, I guess they're happy each other's. Okay. Hey, look, it's Donald Duck and the other ducks. I don't remember the name of these ducks. Oh, what cool ducks, isn't it? Hey, look! It's Tony, Tony the tiger. Oh, wait. He's in the field of grass. Oh. Oh, look! Look at all of the giraffes. I can see all the giraffes. Hello, giraffes. Hi, giraffes. How are you? Oh, that's a long neck giraffe. It's like the tallest animals ever. Few hours later, after Daryl went to see some animals, and they meet them. Huh, that was a great day at Foda.